Today we'll be unboxing the regular Boxycharm box for the month of June. It has finally arrived in July, so let's begin. Okay, so the first thing on top here is this card. This talks about the theme of the box, which is the Oasis for June. And in the back it tells you which items you received, the price, and more about it. And it also has this number here which says 104. It's the variation number, so I got variation box 104. Okay, let's begin. So the first thing here I pulled out is this Kat Von D Precision Pencil Signature Brow. So that's what it looks like. It's this brown color. It's a very light actually. Let's see. Oh, it broke. It's a very light color. Don't really use brow products, so there's this spoolie at the other end. Okay, I don't know. Don't really use these types of products, but let's see what this retails for. So this item retails for $21. Okay, so let's go on to the next item. The next item is this. Let's see what it says here. It's this Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil, and this retails for $16. Let's see what the color is like. It's this nude pink. That's what it looks like. It's a very neutral color. Can go with a lot of lipsticks. And the next item here is this Trustique Good Vibes mascara, and it has a curl tool with it as well. This retails for $25. So let's see. How do you open this? Okay. So this is the mascara wand. This is what it looks like. Okay. And then I think how do you open this top part? Okay, there you go. So this, you can flip this down to curl, so you can curl your eyelashes with it. Interesting. I've never tried it before. Okay. That's the fun of subscription boxes. You get to try new items. Let's see. The next item is this Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glass Skin Balm. Let's see. The full-size version, which this is, retails for $32. This is what it looks like. Okay. And there is one last item in the box. It's this Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette Vintage Dawn, and this retails for $34.99. Now I have already received this palette, so I'm just gonna open and swatch mine. Have the same one. I've gotten it in a Boxycharm actually, so let's see. Okay, so this does have a mirror as well, which is nice. But these are what the colors look like. There's mattes and there's shimmers in there. So let's see. This gold is pretty. This light gold. This orange. Blue. Light blue. And the last one is this red shimmer. So those are the shimmers. And the rest are mattes. So the blue is a matte. Orange, yellow. So those are mattes. And let's see how they swatch. Those are just single quick swatches. That's what they look like. Yeah, it's a pretty cute palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye!